in line with the Iraqi Ministry of Agriculture's goals for sustainable agriculture and modern production. An inspection and supervision visit was conducted at the newly established facility of the Mesopotamia General Seed Company in Nineveh Governorate. Equipped with modern technologies, the facility manages every stage of the process, from the intake of wheat seeds supplied by producers to cleaning, processing, packaging, storage, and distribution. With a storage capacity of 40,000 tons, it is expected to make a significant contribution to agriculture in the region. At AKY Technology, we are immensely proud to have contributed to the implementation of the world's most advanced agricultural technologies in this valuable and strategic project, developed under the direct guidance of the Iraqi Minister of Agriculture, H.E. Abdul Rahim Jassim al-Shammari.